The whole goal here is to get back into good alignment. That is what a lot of us are suffering, and we're going continuous days without doing so, which is adding more compounds, more layers to finding that healing again. The exercise that I'm going to show you today is going to do just that. It's going to improve blood circulation. It's going to help with mobility. It's going to increase your mood. It's going to help with lowering stress and anxiety. And it's very simple. And I don't think a lot of people have maybe told you this when you went into doctor's offices or facilities on how powerful this mechanism is. What we're going to do is take our hands here and we're literally just going to place it around our neck. So it looks just like this. Going to place it around the base of the skull. Get a good grip here because we're going to start pulling upward. Now, let me remind you, we don't want to pull forcefully up. We want to do it very gradually, very safely, and very structuredly. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So what we're going to do is get a good firm grip here at the base of the skull. We're going to use our thumbs here as support units, kind of like support brackets, kind of like just along the jawline here. And what we're going to do is at the count of 2, we're going to pull up. So ready? 1, 2. Pull up. Hold it there about 2 or 3 seconds. Let go. Ready? 1, 2. Pull up. 1 or 2 seconds. Let go. Okay? You should start slowly feeling that mobility starting to seep its way in. Ready? Let's go again. So we're going to pull up lightly on the base of the skull here. Okay? Good grip. Go. 1, 2. Pull up. And release. What we're doing is we're getting our neck into good alignment. We're getting our body to be centered. We're lowering the shoulders. Our shoulders are always hiked up. I know that was one of the problems I had when I was working long hours. I was always hiking my shoulders and I couldn't catch myself in time to realize that I was doing it until someone finally said, "Why do you always seem like you're like this?" And I said, "I don't know." And look, I've gotten so comfortable being like this that I thought that was just the way I was made to look like. And I realized I'm not supposed to always be hiked up. And I started practicing self-awareness more and lowering those shoulders, getting that hand around the base of the skull, lifting up is easing the pressure off those nerves, easing the pressure off those shoulders. It's going to help with your mood. Believe it or not, and it's been proven that our mood coincides with how our body is aligned. If our body is out of balance, simply just having our neck, our jaw out of alignment is going to throw our mood off significantly. And I don't think that's well educated out there. So a lot of us search around looking for things that are not really important. And we are sitting in this out of alignment body. And we realize that we hold the power to increase that good circulation, that good blood flow, help with breathing, help with lowering those cortisol levels. So remember, it's very simple. Just take your hand, wrap it around, get a good grip here in the back, and pull up. Pull up. And you want to do it every so often. And you can start after the first time you do it, get yourself used to it. The 1 to 2 seconds, you want to go up, do it gradually and slowly. But once you get comfortable with it, you can actually start to do it in a more consecutive basis like this. So you start pulling up, pulling up, pulling up. You'll be surprised that after you do that, you won't notice it instantly, but as you let go off your head there and start moving around, functioning like normally, you'll say, "Wow, I actually feel lighter." Do that consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a day if you can. Do it consistently, okay? Within 1 or 2 seconds, lift up. Do that at least 2 to 3 times each day, and I guarantee you'll start feeling better. I hope that video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I'll try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next video.